society at present moment is not in the darkness of oblivion. It has made rapid progress in the field of technology, education and economic prosperity. But there is a pinprick as to what human society are heading towards large-scale quarrels over small issues. So there is a need of mankind to unite at one place for friendship, prosperity and peace. Srimad Bhagavatam has re-spiritualized the cultural representation of the entire human society. So it was compiled by Srila Vyasadeva and it is the essence of all Vedic literature. Srimad Bhagavatam is the very life and soul of all Gauriya Vaishnavas. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu would call it spotless, Amala Purana. Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu used to hear it from his very dear associate Sri Gadadhar Pandit at Narendra Sarovar in Jagannath Puri. So Srimad Bhagavatam is very important in everyone's life. So there is an example of good reciting, good hearing. Like in Srimad Bhagavatam, so it is Srila Prabhupada once said that Srimad Bhagavatam is so hard to pronounce. There are 18,000 verses and all those verses are so hard to pronounce. Even what's the thing of what's the question of memorizing them? And Sukadev Goswami continuously recited the Srimad Bhagavatam for 7 days and Parikshit Maharaj heard the Srimad Bhagavatam 7 days with ecstasy and understood the matter, subject matter and understood everything, essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. And they attained the main goal of life, that is the lotus feet of Lord Shri Krishna. So that is the main objective of life. Srimad Bhagavatam is compiled by Srimad Bhagavatam is a supreme Puran. It was compiled by the Supreme Personality of Godhead in his incarnation as Vyasadeva. So Srimad Bhagavatam is called Amala Purana. Amalam as it is spotless and Puran as it is an old ancient scripture, ancient old scripture. So we are indebted to our demigods. Like we are indebted to sun, like we are enjoying getting the sunshine. In the same way we are indebted to them. In the same way Vyasadeva has given us so many Purans. Like he has given us Mahabharata, 18 Puranas and one of them is Srimad Bhagavatam, the Vedanta Sutra. So we are indebted to him. So what shall we do now? We should read the Srimad Bhagavatam thoroughly and not by one's own intelligence but by a devotee who knows the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam and through our Guru and Vaishnavas and senior devotees who knows the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. Srila Prabhupada once said that for preaching you know what is enough. If you read the purports given by him in Srimad Bhagavatam and chant Hare Krishna with ecstasy, that is sufficient for preaching program. Hare Krishna.